viewers, welcome to the Classmate. So viewers, our class for today will be based on sets. We are gonna deal about sets today, which is class 11 first chapter. We all know we have covered exercise 1.1 in our previous video. Today we are gonna learn sets exercise 1.2 and the concepts based on 1.2. 1.2 basically consists infinite sets, finite sets, empty set and equal sets. So we are gonna deal these things today. So what are sets basically? First thing, sets are the collection of some objects. Am I right? We have already discussed in our previous video. So sets are collection of some objects. Now we are gonna deal about empty sets. Empty sets. What are empty sets? Now let us take a set. A is equal to x is to x is a student of class 12th. Is a student of class 12th presently studying in a school. Presently studying in a school. So when we take this example, x is to x is a student of class 11th presently studying in a school. We can count, right? How many people are studying in your school of class 11th? We can count, right? Total how many numbers of students are there in your school of class 11th. So we can count this. Now let us take another example. B is equal to x is to x is a student studying in class 11th and 12th in a school. This is a set which is given to you. X is to x is a student in a class of a class 11th and 12th in your school. So this is empty set because this is known as empty set because this condition is not possible, right? A person studying in class 11th and class 12th, is it possible? No, right? So this is known as empty set. So by this, what do we understand? The definition of empty sets. The empty sets are the set which does not contain any element in them. This do not have any element, right? So this is known as empty set. Set which do not contain any element. These are known as empty sets. An empty set is denoted by this or this symbol. This is the representation of empty set. Now, let us take another example. Now we are clear, right? Let us take another example. Let D be the set. X is to x square is equal to 4 where x is odd. Where x is odd. When we take this is an empty set because what they told x square is equal to 4. So x is equal to plus or minus 2. Am I right? 2 is an even number. 2 is an even number. But what they have told, x is odd. So this is wrong. Yeah, this is wrong. You can't tell this is wrong. You should tell it is an empty set. So an empty set can be also told as null set or void set. These are the other names of empty set. Null set or void set. Okay, you're clear, right? Now let us deal about finite and infinite sets. So what are finite and infinite sets? Before we learn what is finite and infinite sets, let us write some three sets. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now B is equal to A, B, C, D, E, F, G. C is equal to men living presently in different parts of the world. So, when we take these three examples, what can we observe? A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is specific. This is fixed. So, this is finite set. B. Set B. When we take set B, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. This is also finite set because it is fixed. So, these both are finite sets. Now, when we take C, man living presently in different parts of the world. When we take this example, this is also a finite set because men living presently in parts of the world. Men living presently in different parts of the world is a finite set because it is fixed, right? We know how many people live in the world. So we can count them, men living in different parts of the world. How many men are there who are living in different parts of the world? We can count, right? So it is fine. So it's finite set. It's clear? Then, so by this, what's the definition of finite set? A set which is empty or consists of a definite number of elements is called finite. Otherwise, it is known as infinite. So, a set which is empty. A set which is empty or consists of a definite number of elements is known as finite. Or else it is infinite. It's clear, right? Now let us deal with some examples to know what are finite and infinite sets. Example 6 from your NCERT textbook, class 11th NCERT textbook, example 6 of first chapter. They have given how many bits? 5 bits. So let us start. Example 6, first bit, they have told x is to x belongs to n and x minus 1 into x minus 2 is equal to 0. This is what they have told. So when we take this, they told it's equal to 0. So x minus 1 is equal to 0, x minus 2 is equal to 0, x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 2. Hence our set is 1, 2. It is fixed. So hence it is finite. It's finite. Now what is our second question? Our second question is x is to x belongs to n and x square is equal to 4. So x square is equal to 4. Take x square is equal to 4. X is equal to 2. 2 is also finite. So hence it is finite. Then when we take another example, third question is x is to x belongs to n and 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. So 2x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 by 2. X is equal to 1 by 2. So hence it is finite. It is finite because it is an empty set. Because of this, it is an empty set. By our definition of finite sets, empty set or which consist of definite number of elements are known as finite sets, right? So this is an empty set. It's an empty set, or it's a finite set. It's an empty set, so hence it is finite set. Now our fourth question. Our fourth question is x is to x belongs to n and x is prime. And x is prime. They told x all the natural numbers which are prime. Do we know how many prime numbers we have? No, right? It is infinite. So hence this is infinite. Then fifth question. X is to x belongs to n and x is odd. So we know natural numbers which are odd. How many natural numbers are there which are odd? We don't know. There are infinite numbers. So hence this set is also infinite. Clear, right? Getting right? So we have learnt about infinite, finite and empty set. Now we will deal with equal sets. What are equal sets? Equal sets. Equal sets. Equal sets in the sense, if there are two sets given, A and B, if every element of A is also an element of B, and if every element of B is also an element of A, that means that these both are equal. So these are known as equal sets. So let us take an example. A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay. And B is equal to x is to x belongs to n. X is multiple of 2 and x is less than or equal to 8. It should be from 2 to 8. This is our condition. This condition, 1 minute. So when we see this condition, x is to x belongs to n, x is multiple of 2, 2 less than x less than 8. So 2, 4, 6, 8. A and B are equal. So hence these are equal sets. A and B are equal sets. Clear, right? Now let us take example 7 and 8. What is given in example 7? Find the pair of equal sets if any. Give reasons. That they are telling. Example 7 is, we have to find the equal pairs and we have to tell why is it equal. They told set A is equal to 0, set B is equal to x is to x less than 15 and x less than 5. Then C is equal to x is to x minus 5 is equal to 0 and D is equal to x is to x square is equal to 25. E is equal to x is to x is an integral positive root of the equation x square minus 2x minus 15 is equal to 0. So x is equal to this and B thing is x is to x less than 15 and x is greater than 15 and x less than 5. So by this we can tell this is a null set. This is a null set and this one x is equal to 5. So 5 is in the set. So x is 5. Then again x square is 25. So x is equal to 5 here also. X is equal to 5. Then what is E? E is x is to x is an integral positive root of the equation x square minus 2x minus 15 is equal to 0. X is equal to 5. So 5 is the set for E. So by this, what we have seen, A is equal to 0, B is equal to flux, null set, C is equal to 5, D is equal to plus or minus 5, and E is equal to 5. E is equal to 5. So they are asking among these which are equal sets. Is A is equal to B? No. A is equal to C? No. A is equal to D? No. A is equal to E? No. So A is not equal to any of them. Next B. B is a null set. So here none of them are null set. So B cannot be equal to any of them. Then when it comes to C, C is equal to 5. Here E is equal to 5. So C and E are equal sets. But when we compare C and D, this has plus and minus both. So C and D are not equal. So hence C and E are finite sets. Equal sets. Next, example 8. Example 8. What is the question? Which of the following pairs are equal sets? The same question. Now, the first question is, so this is our first question. Now, when we write this in the set, it will be equal to A, L, O, Y. This thing, L, O, Y, A. Right? L, O, Y, A. So, these both are same. L is there, L, O, Y, Y, A. So, these both are equal sets. So, the first question is equal set. First question is equal set. Then our second question is this. So, n square less than or equal to 4. This means this will be equal to minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. And this is equal to 1, 2. These both are not equal. So hence these are not equal sets. Second one is not equal sets. So viewers, now let us start exercise 1.1. Exercise 1.2. So in exercise 1.2, what is our first question? Which are the following examples of the null sets? So this is our first question. In the first question, our first bit is the set of all natural number is divisible by 2. In this question, they are asking if the given examples are null set or no. So, the first question is, set of odd natural numbers is divisible by 2. This is, so first one is null set. First one is null set. Then our second question is set of even prime numbers. Set of even prime numbers. Even prime numbers in the sense it is 2. So it is finite set. It is not a null set. Then x is 2, x is a natural number, x is less than 5 and x is greater than 7. Yes, it is a null set. Yes, it is a null set. Then our next question is y is to y is a point common to any two parallel lines. This is also a null set because this condition is not possible. So the null sets are 1, 3 and 4. These are null sets. What is 1? The set of odd natural numbers is divisible by 2. It is a null set. X is to x is a natural number where x is less than 5 and x is greater than 7. And the other null set is y is to y is a point common to any two parallel lines. Okay. So in second question they are asking if it is finite or infinite set. So the first question is the set of months of a year. Months of a year. Yes, January to December. 12 months. Yes, it is finite set. First one is finite set. The second question is this. 1, 2, 3 and so on. It is infinite set. It is infinite. Because it is not it is not ending. It is going on. Then our third question is 1, 2, 3, so on 99, 100. So this means this is a finite set because the numbers between 1 and 100. These are the numbers between 1 and 100. Yes, it is a finite set. Then the fourth question is the set of positive integers greater than 100. Positive integers greater than 100. Numbers greater than 100. It is infinite set. Infinite set. Then the set of prime numbers less than 99. Prime numbers less than 99. Yeah, it is finite. As we all know, there are 25 prime numbers less than 99. So it is finite set. Then what is our third question? State whether each of the following set is finite or infinite. The same thing. So I would request you people to solve the third question as your homework. And please do comment in the comment box. If you have any kind of doubt, please comment it. I will clarify it. Then our fourth question is, in which of the following state whether A is equal to B or not. So they are asking this. Now our first question is A is equal to A, B, C, D and B is equal to D, C, B, A. So when we see these both, A, B, C, D. Here also it has A, B, C, D. So hence these both are equal. Then the second question is A is equal to 4, 8, 12, 16. Then B is equal to 8, 4, 16, 18. Now, when we compare these both, 4 is present in this and this. 8 present in both of them. 12 is present in this, but 12 is not present in this. 16. Again, 18 is not present. So these are not equal sets. Then our third question is, A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And B is equal to all the positive even integers less than 10. All the positive even integers less than 10. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Equal, less than or equal to 10 is our condition. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 2, 4, 4, 6, 6, 8, 8, 10, 10. So these both are equal. Now fourth question is, what's the fourth question? A is equal to x is to x is a multiple of 10. Multiple of 10. So 10, 20, 30 and so on like that. Then B is equal to 10, 15, 20, 25 and so on. 10 is there, 10 is there. 15 is not there in this. So hence we can conclude that these both are not equal. Our fifth question is, are the following pair of sets equal? The same thing as the fourth question. So you people should solve it and comment it. Please try it. If you have any kind of doubts, please come back to me. I will clarify it to you. Then sixth question is, from the sets given below, select equal sets. So now this is our sixth question. We have 7 sets given. Now we have to prove which among them are equal sets. Now B, D and E, G are equal sets. Let us prove it now. A, B are not equal because the elements which are present in A is not equal to B and B elements are not equal to A. In the same way, A elements are not present in C, A elements are not present in D. The same way, E, F, G also. Now when we come to B, B elements are not present in A. B elements are not present in C, but B elements are present in D because 1, 2, 3, 4. The same way, 1, 2, 3, 4. So B and D are equal sets. B is not equal to E, B is not equal to F, B is not equal to G also. When it comes to C, C also is not equal to any of them because the elements which are present in C is not present in any of this. Okay. Now D, again D is equal to B, but D is not equal to any of them. But when we see here, E and G are also present. They have equal elements. -1, 1, -1, 1. So E and G are equal sets. But E is not equal to F, E is not equal to any of this. So B is equal to D and E is equal to G. So viewers, I think you are understanding my classes. If you are understanding it, if you like my video, please like it, please share it with your friends. Please do subscribe to my channel, and if you have subscribed it, don't forget to hit the bell icon button. Thank you.